Hello everyone, welcome to the Benny Bus 2.5, 2 points, however many, wait, it's not 2.5, would it be? Instead of 2.0, it's like 5.0, that's the one, 2.5. Welcome to the Benny Bus. We are heading to, where are we going? We're going somewhere with Benefit. Obviously, I'm with this one. We haven't seen each other in a long time. It's been like a significant amount of time. I think it's probably been one of the longest we've ever gone without seeing each other. You think? Yeah. When did we film our last? Months ago. A long time ago. Look at my nails. Emma does not do nails. I'm excited. We're with Benefit. We're gonna go have some fun. It's pretty, I think it's like a chilled event. It's not like Ibiza vibes, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to be in Ibiza to have Ibiza vibes. You know what I mean? Okay, that was enough. See ya. Bye. Look what I just got handed. Straws. We've just stopped at a service station and we're gonna get some chicken. I haven't vlogged anything because me and Sophie are catching up because we haven't seen each other in 150 years. 150 years. Where are we going, Emma? KFC. It looks like I haven't moved, but I have. She got herself some chicken. So we got the same. I was about to bite into this because I was eating a chip and then I ate my chip and then I was about to go and we're just waiting to get our room because of course we're roommates. Can't have one without the other. A package deal, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, we just got to our room and it is pretty amazing. Here is our bathroom. Look at the toilet. Okay, maybe not. The toilet didn't open. Here is our bath. Look at this bath. Is that not the best bath you've ever seen? I need to get a picture of me in that. Shower. A little space for me and Sophie to get ready with windows. Me and Emma have just arrived. Well, everyone just arrived. Wardrobe. And we just come to our room and just like a little explanation. This is a trip with Benefit, which they're doing for kind of like Thanksgiving, but they call it Friendsgiving. And it's pretty much just a couple of like days away for a little break in the countryside. Just like them saying thank you to people that have supported them this year, which I think is so nice. Oh my goodness. So that's not our main front door. So our main front door is there and we actually have a second part of our room. Are you ready for this? Oh my god. Oh my god, it is like a proper living room. We just have an extra living room. What are we gonna do in here? Have a party. Is that a TV? Yeah. Why do we have a living room? So much room for activity. Yes. Wow, these lamps are bigger than, I mean. While I'm here, I need to shoot a outfit post for Boohoo. So it's the Gemma Collins collection. And I thought, where else could I shoot this than with Benefit, because everything is pink. Ta-da! I match perfectly with absolutely everything in this room. And there's a rose gold bath, copper bath. So I'm gonna get a really bougie extra picture in front of the bath. I feel like I just killed my sugar daddy and I'm reaping the benefits. Here's my outfit of the evening. Wearing my Benefit robe and my Boohoo pajamas that I just shot. We got the shot quick, didn't we? Hey, we did. And Soph has Sophie on the back. Mine doesn't. Benefit. Excuse me. It's really disrespectful. Kidding, I'm kidding. Kind of. Wow. Oh my god.
So John asked me to spice. Yeah, you're really relaxed.
Good evening, guys. It's like 10:30 and oh, these are the same door handles as at the flat, just in a different shade of brass. How lovely. We have left most of the people downstairs because they're watching Insidious, and I was not feeling Insidious. I feel like you have to be in a very specific mood to watch Insidious. So I got myself a lovely little vodka lemonade, and the lovely girls have run me a bubble bath. Look at this bath. And I'm gonna hop in, relax, and it's gonna be great. So I'll probably see you in the morning. Night. Oh, I look nice. Soph and I just had a cute little couples face wash, teeth brushing session with our Jack and Jill sinks.
Jack and Jill?
Yeah.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Do you want to be Jack or Jill?
I don't really mind.
I'll be Jack.
Go on then.
Jack and Jill sinks. Soph took some lovely pictures of me in the bubble bath, which you will have already seen.
I sure did.
Turn this room into a mess. I mean, I.
Hello, that's mine. The stuff behind it's yours. And then all of my stuff is also everywhere, so.
Okay, that's good. Anyway, I think I've already said goodnight to you, actually, before I have my bath. So I'm going to say goodnight again. Good night. Good morning. It's the next day, and I slept like a baby. I thought that bed wasn't comfortable, and then it was very comfortable. You know, it was comfy until it wasn't comfortable until I had to get out of it. We have just woken up at the lovely, is it Clevedon Hall? Clevedon Hall? I don't know. I don't know. And today we're doing ice sculpting and archery. So I'm in my dressing gown, looking out. You can't really see, but I can see the gardens and stuff. But we're gonna head downstairs for some breakfast now. Go and meet all the girls and boys, and then yeah, and then we're gonna have some time to come upstairs and get ready for the day, and then we're gonna go do our activities, which is gonna be super fun. I'm really looking forward to it. We've been told that there's a present under the Christmas tree for us. Look at this. Good morning. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I'm ready. I'm dressed all in pink. I feel like my hat looks not ideal. Let's go do some activities. Look at everybody in their little hoodies, sported by this Benny babe. Look at these massive blocks of ice that we're gonna now sculpt into BROWS. We're team O. So this lovely chunk of ice right here is ours. I'm buzzing! This is gonna be so hard. This is so hard. But I think it's a masterpiece. I think we're doing really well. I think it looks pretty good.
How you going on it? You good? Yeah.
Look at our O. B. R. Here's your O. The best O in the world. O. You look pretty shit if you ask me. Me. W.
Oh my god.
S.
That's so... There's so many riches.
They won. They are won. Wow. I'm proud of us. Everyone's done so well. We're outside. We're gonna do some archery. Ready to win Team Blue. You guys, my camera died like early on in the day. So I've just had you charging while I did my makeup, and I've done it. I've basically redone that like blue silver cut crease I did the other day. It doesn't look as good as it did the first time, but what can you do? Oh fuck. I fell. Here's what we're working with tonight. I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing. I don't actually have a clue what I'm gonna wear. There's nowhere to do a proper outfit of the night. But this is my outfit of the night. I mean, even the mirror's speckled. I know. But I'm wearing this dress. I didn't realise you were vlogging. I thought you were talking. Yeah, this dress, I love it. It's a jumper dress from Lazy Oath. And it's got a rainbow on, so I obviously love it. And it's this amazing cobalt blue colour. And then I've got my scrunchie, my leopard print scrunchie, which I love. I'm wearing these leopard print boots from Boohoo. And together, it's matchy-matchy, but also fun. Just how I like it. And Soph looks like a slice of cake. Ooh! Who ordered this sauce?
I just realised I haven't put any lipstick on yet.
Oh my god, who are you? Wow, look at this! Oh, wait, do we have names? Oh, we've got name tags! Emma J and Soph. Oh, hey ladies, and hello! Hi!
That ice sculpting, you could all give up beauty and just...
Oh, none of this is in focus. Cheers, cheers. That was the worst. We've just sat down to have Friendsgiving dinner. It's really yellow, really sorry, but look how cute this is. It's so nice. I'm so hungry. And they've just put parsnips, mashed potato, and sprouts in front of me, and I don't have a plate. Why is this empty? What is your favourite item that will be going on your plate, and which are you most excited for? Pigs and blankets, really? Is that your favourite? Yeah. I love that so much. Well, your plates are coming. We've all been gathered. Sabrina's not come at me. Sorry,
Sabrina. Someone call Sabrina, someone call Layla. I'll call Sabrina.
We've all been gathered to go and have a... I know, because I kept getting... We've all been gathered. Because I kept getting distracted by things. And I'm just distracted. We have been gathered here today. Celebrate the mark. Anyway, we've all been gathered.
And we're going to make sure it's for the ground, and there's going to be some spooky shit going on. So.
What she said. Anyway, she's telling us some ghost stories about the grounds. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely bricking it. I hate stuff like this, but it'll be fine. I've got my security guards, right? Yeah. To protect me. Oh.
Better if you're all huddled together, because I am so that I'm not. If you're too spread out, you won't all be able to hear.
Do you want some blanket?
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Spooky story. Soph's still got a drink.
Yeah, I know, this is a bad idea.
She reminds me a freakish amount of the deputy head of my old secondary school.
Really?
If you went to my school, watch this and you might know what I mean.
About to have some ghost stories. Are you guys scared?
Sal, if you can get them all moving around this side. Yeah, maybe.
I know, who's behind me then? I was like, what's that supposed to be? I could just
maybe it's just me, but it's the manic look in her eye. Do you know what I mean? If you didn't go to my school, that means nothing to you, but you might. It was a funny ghost story.
Funny in quotation.
We're all gonna have to say what I thought.
That was so loud.
Yeah, it was a jokey one, and it was all about
The fact that she kept mentioning
the curse of her grandma, great grandma, and they were talking about the curse of these makeup bags, and she was saying that these bags just appear out of nowhere, and I feel like when we go back to our room, Glenda's makeup bag might just be on our beds.
Yeah, it will. And it was on every
If we're lucky,
bed.
we might get haunted tonight by Miss Glenda.
Sick.
Ghost stories are done. Time for the rest of the party.
Oh! Great! You're great! Yes!
At the same time, you two!
Oh no! And then she sat down and I sat on the wall. Gunshot things up in here! Yeah, gunshot!
It's party time. Enjoy! Yeah!
1:20. If we don't sleep till 2 and we just sit here and drink water, then maybe we'll feel better and then we can sleep and then we won't be so hungover. I'm the sensible one in this friendship. Cheers.
And that's why we're friends.
Yeah.
We make each other better people.
You know.
I do not feel very well at all. I am feeling pretty horrific this morning. Last night.
You're still drunk.
We have had so much fun. Last night was so great. We got a little bit lit. A few clips in there for you, for your entertainment. I filmed an 8-minute vlog last night. It's lovely. Really, really nice. So look forward to that. I sent him some lovely videos and voice notes. Oh, I haven't played you the voice notes.
Oh god.
We had so much fun. Thank you so much to Benefit for having us. Like, it was so great and such a great, like, such a fab group. Just relaxing and fun and all good words. So yeah, thank you for having us. We love you so much. So do you have any final words? She's making a hot choc.
I hope you enjoyed whatever footage made it into this vlog. I feel like you should also clarify that the 8-minute thing you filmed on your phone yesterday, that's never gonna make it anywhere.
Oh, I'm going to chop that up and put that throughout this vlog. Just a random clip, me after doing the archery of just me slut dropping. I need to go because I've got like 10 minutes. I need to pack. I've been trying to rehydrate myself. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Leave a comment, let me know what you think down below. I'd love to know. And I will see you hopefully looking better than I do right now. See you guys later. Bye.